This is Unit 4, Chapter 7 in Algebra 1 review. This is page 431. We're going to do numbers 25 and 26. So number 25 here, we have x is less than or equal to 4, y is greater than or equal to 1, and y is less than or equal to x plus 2. So one thing I noticed about all those is they all have the equal to, so they're all going to be solid lines. So x is less than or equal to 4. That's kind of odd. Most problems we have are going to be like this last one where it's the y by itself. So x equals is weird. You should notice that. Excuse me. X equals 4 is going to be over here, that point. So when I graph x equals 4, that's going to be the solid vertical line coming straight down. So if I want x is less than or equal to 4, that means it's going to be everything below that or to the left of that. So when I graph this, this is going to be everything to the left. Notice I'm going right through the axes here. Just keep going. All right, so what about the second one? The second one here we have y is greater than or equal to 1. So 1 is going to be right here. Again, that's going to be a horizontal line. All right, y is greater than or equal to means we're going to be shading in everything above that. Okay, slope of that line, you notice is 0. Y on the left side, that's normal. Okay, it is missing x. That is a little bit different than how it typically is, but it's better than the x on the left side. So right now, if they are the only two, my answer would be this right here. Remember, the answer is where the shaded regions are overlapping. All right, so I have one more here, and that's y is less than or equal to x plus 2. So if I plot 2, and I'm going to go, I should back up. My slope here is equal to 1, so it's 1 over 1. My b is equal to 2. That's what I just plotted. My slope is going to be up 1, right 1. Okay, again, I'm going to draw in my line. And when I do so, I create this triangle region. So basically, it's either going to be, if it's above this orange line, it's going to be everything up here. If it's below it, it's just that triangle region. All right, when I look at this, it says y is less than or equal to. So when I go to shade in, less than means everything below, so that's going to be everything down here. So my answer is where all three of them are intersecting, and that's going to be this triangle region right there. 26, very similar to number 25. I'm going to start off with the x is less than 5. I do notice right away that that is less than, so it's going to be a dotted line at the 5. So here's the x equal to 5. Just like last time, it's going to look very, very similar. We're going to have this as less than is going to be to the left here. So I'm going to shade that in. All right, y is less than or equal to 6. All right, so I'm going to go through and plot that right now. So the y is less than or equal to 6. Up here is my 6. I already have my graph set up. That's going to be a solid line. Again, because that's the equal to part. Less than means everything below. That's going to be everything down here. There's just going to everything below. I'm ignoring the red one. I'm ignoring my x and y axis. And just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. Last one I have is the y is greater than negative 2x plus 3. All right, so again, my slope here is going to be negative 2 over 1. My b is equal to 3. So I plot my 3, come down to right 1. All right, I can keep doing that. Or for this one, I'm just going to draw it in. This is a dotted line. So it's either going to be everything to the left of this line or to the right. It says it's greater than, so if it's greater than, that means it's going to be everything to the right of that line. That's everything over here. That's where all three of them intersecting. Again, it's a triangle. It's this middle triangle where they're intersecting.